Some Tesla bulls, like Gerber, think that the moment is right to purchase more of the company's shares, even if the stock price of Tesla is still declining. He believes that investors who can get past all hype and diversions and are prepared to take a chance on such a lucrative venture as Tesla have a great opportunity. Hey everyone, and happy return to Everything Tesla stock. Longtime supporter of Tesla Gerber feels that the company's improving fundamentals are not negated by the stock price decline. According to the Tesla investor, Gerber claimed that the company is carrying out its business plan admirably, and that no one is even coming close to doing what the automaker is currently doing. Tesla is a business with excellent leadership and a number of worthwhile projects underway. He went on to say that the carmaker has had tremendous success and that future stock numbers will be even higher. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all things Tesla. Gerber goes into further detail on this in the video. There are many grounds to think that Tesla is still generating amazing profits and sales. Although there appears to be a demand issue for Tesla vehicles in China, the automaker revealed that there is still a significant market for its vehicles. Tesla broke its monthly sales record in this market in September, selling 83,135 China-made cars in wholesale, according to a recent report by the China Passenger Car Association. After stopping the majority of manufacturing at the Shanghai facility in July in order to modernize, Tesla expedited its supplies to China. This was done in an effort to increase the factory's weekly output from approximately 17,000 units in June to about 22,000 units. The research claims that September sales per Tesla actually grew by 8% from August and exceeded the growth of over 5% for all Chinese wholesale electric vehicle sales month over month. Additionally, since manufacturing at Tesla's Shanghai factory started in December 2019, it broke a record. Tesla also revealed that over the first 3 quarters of the year, more than 483,000 Model 3 sedans and more white SUVs were produced in Shanghai. This is nearly the same as all of its deliveries in 2021. The automaker kept funding its manufacture in China. The automaker's first international facility, located in Shanghai, is also its biggest, equipped to produce approximately 750,000 vehicles annually. This creates Tesla's primary export center as well. According to CPCA statistics, Tesla exported 97,182 cars built in Shanghai in the first half of the year, making up 48% of all Chinese vehicle exports. The automaker's primary export base, the Shanghai facility, has continued to play a significant role in helping Tesla boost its rapidly expanding global sales. This may also be a significant factor in investors' concerns about a drop in Tesla's demand in China following the automaker's October price reductions. The carmaker also reduced the beginning price of the Model Y SUV by 8.8% and the pricing of the least expensive domestically made Model 3 sedan by 5%. In contrast to popular opinion regarding waning demand, Tesla is only lowering EV costs because it first promised to do so. Musk stated earlier this year that Tesla might be lowering the cost of its electric vehicles, which had seen a 20 to 30% spike in price over the last 2 years. Over the past 18 months, Tesla has also had to raise car pricing dramatically because of persistent inflation and economic downturns. Therefore, the reason for the current price reduction may not be a lack of demand, but rather the auto company's ability to retain a substantial profit margin in the market while dropping car prices and simultaneously raising production to keep up with the growing demand for cars. Due to a shortage of semiconductor chips that poses a serious danger to the company's expansion, supply chain issues, inflation, and other factors, Tesla increased the pricing of a number of its electric vehicles sold in the United States in June. If the price of Tesla's EVs becomes unaffordable due to the ongoing rise in auto prices, the company may experience problems with demand. As a result, Tesla is using the price reduction to bring down the cost of cars to a level that is reasonable. It is also reasonable to anticipate that future price reductions will continue due to the discrepancy between Tesla's rising fundamentals and stock price. A share buyback has been suggested by a number of investors as a means of raising the stock price of the company. During Tesla's third-quarter earnings call, Musk also made a hint that the automaker is developing the appropriate procedure to carry out a buyback of up to $10 billion. Notably, Tesla is generating enough money that the company's finances might not be adversely affected by a funding buyback. Additionally, some investors believe that Musk's participation on Twitter is another factor contributing to the underperformance of Tesla shares. That might not be the case, though. The decline in Tesla shares has nothing to do with Musk's recent remarks or his deal on Twitter. Tesla's stock price decline cannot be attributed to anything that Elon Musk said or omitted because the CEO of the company has not made many statements regarding the company. One may argue that Tesla no longer needs Musk as much. Based on its current market performance and outstanding product line, the automaker is expected to maintain its leadership position in the electric vehicle market in addition to its other successful companies. In the U.S., Tesla electric vehicles are now in the lead. With a 68% market share as of August, the carmaker was leading the American electric vehicle market. Automakers, including Tesla, are boosting the amount of EVs they deliver to the United States, even though the share is declining gradually as more EVs reach the market. Additionally, Tesla intends to start shipping its Cybertruck and Semi very soon. Musk announced in October that the Tesla semi-truck will begin production and be delivered to Pepsi on December 1. Tesla also said that it intends to build roughly 100 semi-electric trucks this year. The automaker has declared that 2 years after setting a target date for the much-anticipated pickup truck, it intends to begin mass-producing the Cybertruck by the end of 2023. Similarly, SSD is set to launch, and it promises to be an exciting development that might serve as another driving force behind the automaker's expansion. In a previous interview this year, Musk predicted that by the end of the year, there will be roughly 1 million FSD beta testers. Tesla started to wait for the FSD Beta 10.6931 release, and now that it's finally available, many customers have been anxiously waiting for this release. Similar to the FSD software, Tesla is documenting favorable outcomes with the 4680 battery. The carmaker reported in a recent update that it is significantly increasing the rate at which the batteries are produced. Tesla CFO Zachary Kirkhorn stated that the business aims to produce 4680 cells in Q4 of this year, which is roughly 1,000 cars each week. As it prepares for the expected sharp increase in consumer demand, Tesla has also stated publicly that expanding the production of its facilities across the world is one of its main priorities. Musk claims that Tesla will keep up revenue generation and delivery at a compound annual growth rate of at least 50%. The automaker has also stated that it will accelerate the manufacturing of cars by raising the rate of production in Shanghai and for the entire month, while simultaneously increasing production in Berlin and Texas. Future announcements of new gigafactories could potentially be made. This year, during Tesla's annual shareholder meeting, Musk really stated that the company may eventually construct up to 10 or 12 gigafactories worldwide. The CEO of Tesla further stated that by 2030, the company might be producing up to 20 million electric vehicles annually, with each facility generating 1.5 to 2 million vehicles annually. Musk has said that before year's end, Tesla should reveal the location of its next gigafactory. Given this, there is compelling evidence to suggest that Tesla is seriously investigating sites in Mexico, Canada, and potentially North America. It's possible that Tesla intends to construct a new gigafactory in Asia. Recent sources claim that Musk has held discussions about the prospect of entering the South Korean market with the authorities. South Korea has a healthy auto industry, which is ideal for Tesla's electric cars. The manufacturer has close relationships with two significant South Korean corporations, LG and Samsung. According to Musk, South Korea is a top investment destination for Tesla. Additionally, he stated that he would be willing to actively contribute to the nation's EV charging infrastructure. Tesla is expected to generate even higher profits in the future, which will raise the price of its shares. The car company's growth rate is a staggering 50%. According to Gerber, the stock of Tesla should be valued between $300 and $350 per share by the next year. Do you believe Tesla can get there? Please share your thoughts with us below, and don't forget to share your Tesla valuation with us. To find out more about Tesla's recent activities, click the next video that appears on your screen. Talk to you there.